Good morning children, how are you? I hope all are doing well. So children, today we are going to start a new block, block 7. The block 7 is multiplication, tables, review, and today we are going to do a S1 and S2. So children, S1 is multiplying using addition and S2 is multiplication rules. So children, all of you open your maths, read this. Children, open page number 51. Multiplication, tables, review. Multiplying using addition. 5 into 3 is equals to 50. So 5 is multiplier, 3 is multiplicand, 15 is product. The first number tells us how many times to add. The second number tells us what to add over and over again. So children, what they were saying, the first number is 5. So the first number tells us how many times to add. So it will tell how many times to add. The next number we have 3. It's called multiplicand. The second number tells us what to add over and over again. So what number we have to add? So here they have given us 3 multiplicand and multiplier, right? 3 is multiplicand and 5 is multiplier. So 3 how many times they took? They took 5 times. So here 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is 5 times they took. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. We got the product is 50. Right children? So here multiplicand will take multiplier. Means 3 will take 5 times. For what? To get the product. Right children? So now look at this example. Use addition to solve 6 into 4. So 6 is multiplier, 4 is multiplicand. So children, here they gave some steps. So step 1, look at the multiplier. So what is a multiplier? 6 is a multiplier. Next, step 2, write all the 4s to add. So already they have stuck here children. So how many 4s they have written? We'll just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4s they took 6 times. Now step 3. Add all the 4s. Now we should add all the 4s. So now 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So the product, we got it, 24. Now here 6 into 4 is equals to 24. So what is a 6 here? 6 is multiplier. 4 is multiplicand. 24 is product. Okay children, I hope you understood this. Now all of you open your maths workbooks. Children, all of you open your maths workbooks, page number 38. Put today's teach, S1, multiplying using addition. The first bit, fill in the blanks with product, multiplier and multiplicand. So children already have written here 4 into 3 is equals to 12. So what is a 4? 4 is multiplier. What is a 3? 3 is multiplicand. What is a 12? 12 is a product. Right children? So children, you have to write like this. And we are going to do the second bit. Now what is the second bit we have? Write 4 into 3 as a repeated addition sentence. So now 4 is the multiplier and 3 is the multiplicand. So how many times we have to take 3? 4 times, right? So now I have written here 4 3s. Now I am going to add it. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So the project we got it 12. Right, children? Multiply 5 into 1. So 5 is multiplier, 1 is multiplicand. So now what we have to take? Now what we have to do, children? 1 we have to take 5 times, right? So already have written here 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. So how many times I took? 5 times. Shall we add it? 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 into 1 is equals to 5. The project we got it 5. Now coming to the fourth bit. 0 into 4. So 4 how many times we have to take? 0 times. So now 0 into 4 is equals to 0. Because here we have 0, right, children? So we have to write it 0. We'll get the 0. 0 into 4 is 0. Now coming into fifth bit. Complete the table. Here question, repeated addition, answer. So the A bit 5 into 4. So 4 how many times we should take? 5 times, right? So here shall we count how many times it is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Now we have to add it to get the product. Product is nothing but answer. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So we got the answer is 20. Answer is nothing but product. Product 20. Coming to the B bit. 7 into 0. So 0 how many times we should take? 7 times. Right, children? So I have written 7 times 0. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. So if you add the zeros, what you will get? 0 only. Right? Product you will get 0. 7 into 0 is equals to 0. Okay, children? Here you can see fourth bit. 0 into 4 is equal to 0. If you do 0 into 4 also, you will get 0 only product. Or 7 into 0 also, you will get product as 0. Okay, children? The C bit. 3 into 6. So, how many times? 6 we took 3 times. So, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So, the product will get it 18. Okay, children? Now, look at the sixth bit. Which is easier to solve? 5 into 3 or 3 into 5? Explain your answer. So children, you have to do it by your own this one. This is as a homework. So see here, which is easier to solve? 5 into 3 or 3 into 5? Explain your answer. See here, 5 is multiplier, 3 is multiplicand. So 3, 5 times you have to take here. And then you have to add it. Or 3 into 5. 3 is multiplier and 5 is multiplicand. So 5 how many times you have to take? 3 times. If you take 3 into 5, I mean 3 5 times or 5 3 times, you will get same answer. 5 into 3, 15. Product is 15. Or 3 into 5 is also 15. So you have to do it by your own, children, this one. And now all of you open your max videos. Children, open page number 51. Multiplication rules. So here, if a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. So any number, if you multiply by 0, you will get the answer is 0. 3 into 0 is equals to 0. 0 into 3 is equals to 0. So children, you can see here 0 is a here multiplicand and here it is multiplier. So 3 into 0 is equals to 0. Here 3 is multiplicand and 0 is multiplier. So 0 into 3 is equals to 0. Okay children. So you can see here 0 how many times they are taking? 3 times. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. And here 3 into 0. So 0 groups here. So you are getting answer is 0. If you are adding also, here you are getting 0. Here is a no groups, right? So you will get the answer is 0. If a number is multiplied by 1, it remains the same. See children, if a number is multiplied by 1, it remains the same. If you take any number, if you multiply by 1, you will get the number remains same. Here 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So here 1 is multiplicand, 3 is multiplier. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Means what? 1 they are taking 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Right children? So how 3 boxes, how many stars? In one box we have 1. In one box we have 1. In one box we have 1. Right children? So they are taking 1 star 3 times. Understood children? 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Coming to the next one. 1 into 3 is equals to 3. Only they took one box, in that 3 stars. Okay children? 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Means they have to 3 stars. 3 is multiplicand, 1 is multiplier. So only one box in that 3 stars. So 1 into 3 is equal to product is 3. You can observe here children. What is the difference here? Here multiplicand is 1 and multiplier is 3. So what they have done? They have took 3 boxes. 3 times we have to take 1 no? So 3 boxes and 3 stars. Here 3 is multiplicand and 1 is multiplier. So they took one box and they have written 3 stars. They have drawn 3 stars. Okay children? Now if the numbers are flipped, the product remains the same. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So here you can see this example children. 3 into 2. So here what they have done? They have drawn 3 boxes, in that 2 stars. Because here we have 2, right? 2 stars. If you count the stars, how many stars we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars. Right? 3 into 2 is equals to product is 6. And if you count the stars, you will get the answer is 6. Now look at the second one. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. So 2 is a multiplicand and 3 is a multiplicand, 2 is a multiplier. So here what they have done? They have drawn 2 boxes and 3 stars. So if you count the stars, you will get product as a 6. 3, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So we'll get the answer is 6. 2 into 3 is also 6. 3 into 2 is also 6. Now look at this example. Solve 5 into 3 into 2. So here 5 into 3 into 2 is equals to 15 into 2 they have written. The next 5 into 2 into 3 is equal to 10 into 3. Flipped the numbers to multiply by 10. So children, you can see here 5 into 3. 5 3s are 50. So here they have written 50. Into 2. So here into 2. Okay children? And look at this. 5 into 2. 5 into 2 means 5 2s are 10. So already they have written 10. Into 3. Into 3. Okay children? 15 into 2 is product 30. 10 into 3 is also product 30. 10 into 3 is also product 30. So here you can see this 5 into 2 into 3 is equals to 15 into 2. Means what? 5 2s are 10. 10 into 3. 10 3s are 30. So they have written here, what they have written, 15 into 2 is 30. 10 into 3 is also 30. If you add 5, if you multiply 5 into 2 into 3 is also you will get 30. 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 15 into 2. 15 2s are 30. Now 10 into 3. 10 3s are 30. So children, you can observe here. If you observe here, 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 15 2s are 30. 10 3s are 30. If you do in this method, you will get the product is 30. If you multiply 15 into 2 also, you will get the product is 30. Or 10 into 3, if you multiply like this, you will get the product is 30. So find the product. So you can find it 3 different methods. Children, open your workbook, page number 39. Put today's date as to multiplication rules. So children, just now I have explained you reader how to do the multiplication rules, right? Now I am going to show the first bit. The first bit is draw pictures to show the problem. So here what we have, the A bit 6 into 3. So now what we have to do it, 3 is multiplicand and 6 is multiplier. So now what we have to do, we have to draw 6 boxes. In that we have to draw 3 starts, right? Yes. So 6 into 3 is how much? 6 into 3 is 18. So now shall we count whether we have 18 starts or not? Okay children. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 starts here, right children? So seeing the B bit also, you have to do it like this only children, 3 into 6. So here we are going to write it, answer is 18. The product is 18. Now look at the second one. Decide if the statements are true or false. If they are false, write the correct statement. Statement true or false, correct statement. So children, A bit, when we multiply any number by 0, the answer is number itself. So children, if you multiply any number with 0, you will get a number itself? No, the answer we cannot get number itself. We'll get 0. For example, 0 into 4 is equals to 0. So you have to write it false. It is a false statement. So the correct statement is, when we multiply any number by 0, the answer is 0. If you multiply any number with 0, we'll get the product is 0. Just now I told you the example. 0 into 4 is equals to, we'll get the answer is 0. Now see the B bit. When we multiply any number by 1, the answer is 0. So if you multiply any number with 1, you will get the answer 0? No, it's a false statement. When we multiply any number by 1, the answer is number itself. It's nothing but, for example, 1 into 3. If you multiply 1 into 3, we'll get the number is 3. We'll get the answer is 3. right? We will not get answer as 0. We'll get 3. And here also 1 into 4 is equals to 4. So we'll get the number, but we won't get the 0. So the B bit is false. The correct statement is, when we multiply any number by 1, the answer is the number itself. We'll get the answer as number itself. For example, 1 into 3 is equals to 3. 1 into 4 is equals to 4. So children, look at the third bit. Circle the problem that is easier to solve. So now here they have given you A bit, B bit, C bit and D bit. Children, you have to think and do this as a homework. Third bit as a homework. So children, I hope you all understood till here. We'll continue with the next topic. Thank you.